Hey everybody, figured I'd do a little bit of a shop update, let you guys know where I've been, what's going on, and what is in the future of what's going to happen and go on this channel. The one thing is I have been kind of missing a lot of your guys' videos. I've been trying to catch up. I apologize for that. I have been watching a lot, but I haven't been commenting on everybody's videos that much. I did say a few videos back that I was getting married, and I did get married. Here's the, got the ring on and all that. That went very well. Did go on the honeymoon last week, and that was a lot of fun. We did a lot of trails and stuff like that. We'll do a lot of outdoor stuff. So I didn't have much time to view everybody's videos or create videos or work on models or anything like that, but all that's done. A lot of stuff is starting to calm down, so now I'm getting more time to actually work on a bench and have more videos out there for you guys. One thing is the plan is that I was going to do some videos of outdoor stuff, and I'm kind of debating on having another channel or just adding that videos and that content onto this channel as well. I know a lot of people who pick this channel is looking for model car stuff, but if you guys are interested, let me know. Maybe I'll just post it on this one. If not, I'll create a different YouTube channel and let you guys know about that as well. But the model cars and all that will still be happening. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that all on this channel or actually see another channel, so that way you guys don't have to worry about updates on other stuff for the model car channel. And just a little update on that. The next thing is I would like to host a group build, and I want to see if people are actually interested. What I would want to do is a Halloween group build. So I'd want to start it maybe the last week of September, give people enough time, and have it end on Halloween. Have everybody post their videos on that day, and have for that build be, your figures. Like I'm going to do the Phantom of the Opera. Last year I built the Grim Reaper figure, so it'd be like those. Them are Mobius kits. I think there is some Atlantis kits out there that are pretty cool. But also I want that to be cars as well. So you have like your Elvira car, you have your mummies, or there's a couple mummy cars out there. You have ones from the TV shows like the Monsters. So you have that kit as well. And it would be also open to cars, any car, as long as you give it some kind of a Halloween theme, putting skeletons in it or skulls, or give it a Halloween scary paint job or anything like that. As long as it has some ties to Halloween, or like a diorama of it in Halloween, any kind of figures, so anything like that. It could even be minifigs, as long as they're something that would be tied to Halloween. If you guys are interested, please let me know about that as well. I know that time of the year is kind of full of group builds, but I wanted to host a Halloween group build, and it would be kind of stupid to do that in December. So if you can, let me know if you're interested in it. Give me some ideas. That would be great. How do you stand on that? So I will be doing a lot of other videos. I'll be trying to get back to the way I used to be. I used to have about 2 to 3 videos a week. I'm going to try to get back into that schedule. Let me know the answers to them questions. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.